latest update coming from Kolkata. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is currently holding a protest march in Kolkata, and those are the live visuals that we are bringing for you. She is demanding that the CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, which is probing the case of the rape and murder of the 31-year-old doctor, CBI, in fact, should give daily updates on the investigation, and that the probe should be completed before 17th of August, which is tomorrow. And those are the live visuals that you can see on your screens right now. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who is joining us live for more on this. Sabyasachi, over to you. Tell us what is happening on the streets of Kolkata. What is the plan of Mamata Banerjee and other TMC leaders who can be seen in these visuals that we are bringing for our viewers from Kolkata?
Well, absolutely. First of all, let me tell you the ground situation here at RG Kar. On my left side, it is the doctors which are carrying on with their protest. Now, there was lots of applause once they got to know that the former principal, Sandeep Ghosh, has been detained by the CBI. And towards the right is the CBI team which has reached here with the FSL team. Now, it's been an hour that the CBI team along with the FSL team are still inside. Now, they are examining the crime scene. They are here to collect the fingerprints and other evidences that the CBI is looking forward. The CBI is still inside the premises with the FSL team. Now Mamata Banerjee has hit the street here in West Bengal. Now Mamata Banerjee, along with the other Trinamool Congress leaders, are holding a protest march. Now this particular protest march by the Trinamool Congress has been called in to ask for capital punishment for the main accused, as well as ask the CBI to give every single day update about the case, and by 17, that is by tomorrow, to put out some result. Now the CBI has taken over the case. Meanwhile, we had seen that the war of words between the Trinamool Congress and the other opposition parties are continuing. Today, in fact, the BJP had called several protests here in Kolkata, one of them being at the Shambazar metro station, where the BJP had called a sit-in dharna. Now there we had seen that there was a tussle between the Kolkata police and the BJP leaders. Several of the BJP leaders were detained by the Kolkata police. The Kolkata police clearly stated that the BJP leaders did not have proper permission to hold a sit-in dharna over there. Now the BJP women wing has called for a candle march in front of the CM's residence at around 5:30. Whether the Kolkata police will allow or not, that is yet to be seen. But both the political parties are on ground. They are accusing each other. Meanwhile, the students here at RG Kar are firmly standing with their demands. They want that whoever is behind this heinous crime should be punished. The financial assistance should be given to the victim's family for lifelong, as well as the officers who are responsible for this against them. Action also need to be taken. So clearly a lot of action going in around. Meanwhile, the CBI is questioning
I'm just
the former principal.
Requesting you to please stay on with us. I'll come back to you in just a bit. Even as we stay live with these visuals that we are getting from Kolkata, we have Rahul Sinha of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now, Mr. Sinha. We are getting live visuals wherein West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is leading the protest march. We can see all other women leaders, specifically of TMC, joining her in this protest march. Capital punishment to the accused is the demand. Give hourly updates. That is what she's asking the CBI to do. And she's also asking that the probe should be completed by tomorrow. Your first reaction?
देखिए, तृणमूल कांग्रेस जो इस घटना में शामिल है, ये सब लोगों का सामने आता है। अभी तृणमूल उस घटना से बचने के लिए बहुत सारे कुछ करता है, लेकिन बंगाल का जनता ममता बनर्जी का बात सुन के, ममता बनर्जी का बयान देख के सबको मालूम हो गया जो इस हमला का पीछे कोई बड़ा राज होगा, और वही राज का खुलासा जब हो जाएगा तब आप देखिए इसमें तृणमूल कांग्रेस का पूरा रोल है, उसके कारण ही सारे ऐसा घटना हुआ।
Rahul Sinha ji, हम day one से सुन रहे हैं. Okay, I think we've lost that line, but that is the first reaction of the BJP that we are getting. But those are the live visuals now. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has taken out this rally against the incident of rape and murder of this doctor at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. She's demanding justice for the victim and capital punishment for the accused. Remember, till now the case was being probed by the state police there, and now the case was handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Let me go back to Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Sabyasachi, over to you. I had to interrupt you earlier, but tell us, what is the plan really? What exactly, is Mamta Banerjee looking from this particular protest march? And we earlier saw dramatic visuals emerging from Kolkata. BJP leaders, especially women leaders of the BJP unit, also were on the streets earlier.
Well, absolutely. See, from this particular protest of the Trinamool Congress, the message that CM Mamta Banerjee wants to give is that the Trinamool Congress, along with Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, is with the protesting doctors in this matter, and along with the protesting doctors who have been demanding the harshest punishment for the main accused. Mamta Banerjee also demands for capital punishment for the main accused. In fact, Mamta Banerjee wants that the CBI should give update every single day in this particular case, and the probe should be completed by tomorrow. The message is very much clear from the Trinamool Congress that the deadline that they had given to the Calcutta police, that the investigation needs to be completed by 17. The same rule goes to the CBI, that they have to complete the investigation by 17. Meanwhile, continuously we seeing whether it is the doctors who are protesting out here, or it is the opposition parties, CPIM or the BJP, they have been raising question at the Trinamool Congress and as well as the Kolkata police. See, at the midnight scene that we had witnessed at RG Kar Hospital, the same the emergency ward which was completely vandalized. Now several questions has been raised at the Kolkata police as well. Now the court clearly questioned the Kolkata police of their inactiveness. In fact, the CBI also leveled serious allegation against the Kolkata police, stating that it was the Kolkata police who had given the free pass to the mob who were marching towards the RG Kar hospital. Now the court in fact told the Kolkata police that when the police had been putting down Section 144 in various areas of Kolkata, widened the cordon of the area that lead to RG Kar hospital, and when 15 persons of the Kolkata police sustained injuries, then how can the protesting doctors feel safe or to return back to their work? So these were some of the important
interrupting
remarks.
you there, requesting you to stay on with us. There's another important update that we are getting for our viewers. Now, the Kolkata Police Commissioner has come out to give a clarification. He says the police never told the family of the victim that it was a case of suicide. Let's listen in.
Somebody said that police is the one who informed the family about the suicide. That's absolutely wrong. It was never the police. Somebody said 150 grams of semen is informed. I don't know from where have they found this kind of information. And it is circulating in the media in all kind of forms, and people, I don't know, people are tending to believe it, or they are trying to create confusion amongst the people.